I don't have any experience doing roller coasters, so I will just improvise. I bought these wheels. They are quite big, and if I'm supposed to build a track that it runs on, I think it will just go straight this first year and then maybe develop turning as a later project.
Are you going to have the wheels like under and above?
No, just above and these wheels like this. So if this is the track, this wheel is going like, if this is the outer side, I think. Oh wait, it's better to have it on the inside, like that.
Is that a small wheel?
That's a small wheel. It's just for holding it in place. So one wheel goes, if this is on the inside and this is on the outside, they will hold the cart on the rails.
But it could also jump.
Yes, it can derail. The rides are not safe. You gotta remember, the rides are not safe. How big should a cart be? Maybe this small. I just feel very hesitant, but I think the only way to do this is to try. There is no there is no try, just do. It will be a pretty shitty roller coaster probably, but it will be a roller coaster, and that's all that matters. It's working. Not really, but listen to this sound. It sounds like a roller coaster.
Okej, men nu vill jag köra. Du har gjort en berg dalbana. Det var först. Nej, det är hotelsen.
Oj då, hoppar av. The roller coaster project is going great, but now the transitions will be very hard, I think. It will be a very hard transition to deep dive, and then how do you flatten out the curve without having a hard crash landing down to the flats? I'm not really sure, but I will experiment a bit.
Ja, men med lite lägre tyngdpunkt så...
Där. När man kläms mellan.
Om du sitter lite längre fram, alternativt förlänger den bakåt lite.
Precis.
Oj.
I accidentally built my roller coaster pretty tall. I guess I haven't really realized exponential curves because you kind of double your speed every 2 meters or something. So it's very fast now and would definitely derail when it comes to the tip off there. So I will try to build a small bump instead. And I have an idea how to do this. I'm not sure if the execution will be great, but we'll try. Right here we have the drop. It's not a big angle, but going very fast already, it could be devastating.
Nya perspektiv som blir liksom härligt och spännande.
För det är win-win oavsett. Matchar ni inte varandra toppen, då vet du det.
This is the new part, or 2 parts. I realize now that this will still be a sharp turn, but I don't think it's as sharp. And it kind of goes into this bow here, so it might be possible to ride. I need to gear up with some protective gear to ride the whole thing, and I shouldn't be alone, I think. Just waiting for some space kids to show up. She's not seen how fast it goes.
But,
But-
have you gone yourself from the middle?
Yes, and I almost derailed from the middle of it.
But did you go over the hill?
I didn't have the hill
No.
then.
Well, then
I don't know.
I'm probably gonna fly over the hill.
I don't want you to hurt yourself.
Oh no. Okay, I can start.
Start from the middle and see how fast that goes. Start from here maybe.
I don't know if I can get into it without someone holding.
Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, and 3.
That was lame. Okay,
Are you ready?
ready.
You made it!
It was really nice because it wasn't scary.
Something wrong with you. It's supposed to be scary.
Okay, but
I think it's scary.
it was a little bit scary, but when you go, it's very safe.
Okay. I go next.
You go next now?
And everything breaks.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be red.
Bread.
Red means recording. It feels like I should have tried from halfway.
Before.
It worked once.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Ready? Steady? Go. Perfect.
Oh my god, it worked.
Yeah. You build a safe right.
I doubt it's safe, but it's worked twice.
Steady? Go.
Yeah.
I was brave.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay.
Almost
Lovely.
launched into space.
Really.
Yeah.
Very safe. Han är inte paralyserad av... Jag bara visar att den går snabbt. Alltså det är... Okej, ready, steady. It's so close. Whoa! When I sat down, it was more fast.
Should we make a loop in the end of it?
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Väldigt nice utsikt härifrån.
Before the...
I feel that I could be an employee working here,
Yeah.
holding people.
When I was working as a train driver, I offered you employment.
Yeah, you did.
But now,
Chicken
I don't know.
But offer at the park.
Yeah.
Yeah. And also, you want to make me work at the train. So. Okay,
Yeah.
are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready.
Okay.
Steady. And I'm gonna do it, not you.
Okay, should I put up my legs?
Yeah, put up. Okay, ready. Steady.
Yeah.
Go.
Ooh. My name is Mozart, and I'm from outer space. I am an intergalactic filmmaker stranded on the last Earth. I document my sailing expeditions, off-grid amusement park, random adventures and projects, and the search for my happy-go-lucky land. And sometimes I invite you to join.